broker do you prefer, Investogram or Etoro? We decided to choose Etoro because of its user-friendly interface and the ability to follow and copy the trades of successful investors. It provides a social trading experience that's very educational. What are the products that you buy in Etoro and why?
In Etoro, I have made significant purchases of three assets. These are Apple, oil, and Tesla. I choose to pick these stocks as this is one of big movers in Etoro. So first is Apple. Apple is a well-established technology known for its innovative products like iPhone, iPad, and Mac computers. So investing in Apple, I believe that I can be considered this as a safe bet due to its strong financial performance, loyal customer base, and continuous innovation in a tech industry. Second is oil. So investing in oil can be a strategic move for me to diversify portfolio and take advantage of fluctuation in the energy market. So the price of oil is influenced by various factors such as geopolitical events, supply and demand dynamics and global economic conditions. So lastly is I invest also in Tesla. So I believe that Tesla is a leading electric vehicle manufacturer and clean energy company. By investing in Tesla, I am supporting sustainable technology and positioning myself in the rapidly expanding electric market vehicle.
We chosen product and services is Sun MC, Adidas DE, NVDA, ASEINDPG. And I choose this product because one of my friends convinced me to invest this because it's high on profits and some of it is just I believe in the future of electric vehicles and Tesla is a pioneer in this industry. With their innovative technology and worldwide presence, I see great potential for growth in business stocks. Additionally, Tesla's commitment to sustainable energy aligns with my values, making it worthwhile investment. Go. I purchased Apple because as a leader in this technology sector, Apple has a strong track record of delivering innovative products and services. Their loyal customers based on ecosystem of devices provide a competitive advantage, and I believe that the Apples continue to focus on innovation and their ability to adapt to changing market trends make it valuable investments. Another is Mara, because with the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies, I see potential in blockchain technology and mining operations. Mara is a company that specializes in Bitcoin mining, and I believe that the growing demand for the cryptocurrencies will lead to increased probability for mining companies. Investing in Mara allows me to participate in the potential growth of the cryptocurrencies market. Now, let's share our experiences with the chosen platform. Let's talk about risk appetite. How would you describe your risk tolerance when it comes to investing?
I'm a low risk appetite investor. So as a low risk investor, prioritize stability and capital preservation over if coffee offers steady, predictable returns over time, even if they may be lower compared to higher riskier investment. I tend to prefer investments that are considered safe and have a lower probability of significant losses. This may lead me to choose assets with lower volatility and a track record. I am so cautious when it comes to taking an investment's risk. I may be more sensitive to market fluctuations and prefer investments that have a lower exposure to market volatility.
For my risk appetite, I'm a risk averse investor because I choose those low in risk and with high profits. As an individual investor, I prefer a balanced approach. I open to taking some risk, but I also want to consider the potential for both gains and losses. And I like to invest in a mix of assets that have moderate levels of risk, aiming for a growth over time.
deciding factors for you when you're choosing and picking stock?
Choosing assets becomes a reflective exercise where personal interest and aspiration intersects with financial goals. It forms interception on what I seek to achieve through my investment and sets the stage for defining a path forward. Setting investment goals takes on a reflective tone, encouraging me to envision the future and align my investment in my aspiration for growth, stability, or income. When I invest and picking stocks with low risk, I consider these factors. So I first look for stable companies. Second is I check if they pay dividends. Third is I choose industries that don't change much. And fourth, I pick companies that are top in their market. Another is see how they manage risk. Another is buy stocks at fair prices, think about long-term growth, and lastly, I spread my money across different stocks to diversify also the risk.
Factor in choosing a stock, I chose those high-end profits with a green bar and not those a lot of fluctuations.
When I pick stocks, I consider a few things. First, I look at the company's financial health, management, and growth potential. I also pay attention to the price patterns and trends in the stock market. It is important for me to stay informed about the industry and the market conditions, as well as the news or events related to the company.
Excellent points. Now, let's delve into your strategies for profiting from your portfolios. What techniques do you use?
Risk management strategies has helped me protect my investment. Setting limits on potential losses and staying vigilant have been a vital in minimizing risk. The world of investing is constantly evolving and staying informed is crucial. Continuously learning about market trends and investment strategies has been instrumental in making informed decisions. Being flexible and adaptable in my approach to investing has allowed me to seize new opportunities and adjust my strategy as needed. Next is embracing change and exploring new possibilities has been a key to progress.
In my strategies, I chose to diversify my money because it can lower my risk and I can gain a lot of profit.
To make profits and minimize losses, I use different strategies. One strategy is diversification, where I spread my investments across different types of assets and industries. I also believe in buying and holding stocks of strong companies for the long term. To protect myself from losses, I set stop loss orders, which automatically sells the stock. If its price drops to a certain level, I also regularly monitor my portfolio and make adjustments as needed.
That's smart investing. Finally, based on your portfolio's performance, what have you learned?
To make money from investments, I follow a few simple rules. First is I buy a good assets and hold into them for a long time. I also spread my money across different types of investment to lower my risk and increase my change of making money. I look for stocks that are undervalued and pay dividends to earn regular income. So another is to avoid losing money. I have a plan. I set a limit on how much I'm willing to lose in a stock before selling it. I also keep an eye on the risk and regularly check on how my investments are doing. If needed, I adjust my portfolio to keep it balanced and stay informed about what's happening in the market.
What I learned in investing is virtual trading is I can gain more knowledge and I can have idea on how to invest something.
Based on my how portfolio performs, I like to reflect and learn from it. I look at overall returns compared to my goals and benchmarks. I identify the strategies or investments that have worked well for me. and contribute to positive returns. I also analyze any mistakes or losses I've experienced and try to learn from them. This helps me refine my investments approach and new set goals for the future.
You guests for your answers. So let's talk about risk appetite. As for me, I consider myself to have a moderate risk appetite because I'm open to taking calculated risk, but prefer a balanced portfolio to hedge against potential losses. So the techniques I use is I employ a mix of long-term investing and short-term trading. For long-term investments, I choose stocks with strong growth potential, and for short-term gains, I rely on technical analysis to capitalize on market fluctuations. Strategies are crucial, but so are tactics for minimizing losses. So if a stock is losing, I first assess on the decline is due to a temporary market fluctuation or a fundamental issue with a company. If it's the latter, I may cut my losses and sell. Otherwise, I hold or even buy more if I believe in its long-term potential. When choosing and picking a stock, for me, it's combination of a company's financial health, market trends, and future growth potential. And I also consider the industry's overall outlook and any recent news or developments. I have learned the importance of patience and not letting emotions drive my decisions. Seeking for a well thought out strategy usually pays off in the long run. Thank you everyone for joining us today. We've had a fantastic discussion about choosing the right broker and strategies for successful investing. From our discussion, it's clear that the platform you chose offers unique advantages that can suit different investment styles and preferences. Our key takeaways include the importance of understanding your risk appetite, thoroughly researching stocks before investing, and having a balanced strategy that includes both long-term and short-term approaches. Our guest has also highlighted the value of patience and emotional discipline in managing investment, which are crucial for achieving long-term success. Remember, the right broker for you is one that aligns with your individual needs and goals, and continuous learning is essential in the ever-evolving world of investing. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Keep investing wisely. Thank you.